Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, recently made a bold and surprising prediction. He believes that XRP could reach $100. This statement has sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency world, sparking debates among investors, analysts, and enthusiasts alike. XRP, a digital asset often known for its role in facilitating fast, low-cost cross-border payments, has seen its price fluctuate wildly over the years, driven largely by legal battles, market sentiment, and Ripple's business strategies. But for a CEO to make such an audacious prediction, especially considering XRP's price history, raises an important question: is this prediction realistic? Could XRP really hit $100, or is this just another hopeful statement from someone who has a vested interest in the success of Ripple? As with any major price prediction, it's crucial to break down the factors that could influence XRP's value and whether or not this prediction could come true. Garlinghouse has been a leading figure in the cryptocurrency industry for years, shaping Ripple into a company with significant influence in the global payment space. His vision for XRP as a bridge currency for international transactions has always been clear, but suggesting that XRP could hit $100 seems almost too good to be true for many investors who have seen the token struggle through ups and downs. It's important to remember that price predictions like these aren't just wishful thinking. They're based on specific factors, market conditions, and strategies that could either support or challenge the prediction. But with XRP's current legal battle with the SEC and its fluctuating price, the road to $100 for XRP might not be as straightforward as Garlinghouse's statement suggests. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what Garlinghouse's prediction means, why he believes XRP could reach $100, and what factors would need to align for this to actually happen. From Ripple's ongoing efforts to settle the SEC lawsuit to the growing adoption of blockchain technology and digital currencies in mainstream financial systems, we'll explore the key elements that could either help or hinder XRP from reaching that $100 mark. It's a bold claim, and today we're going to dive deep into whether or not it's truly possible. Let's break it down. To truly evaluate whether Brad Garlinghouse's $100 prediction for XRP is realistic, it's essential to understand who he is and why his opinion carries weight in the crypto world. Brad Garlinghouse has been at the helm of Ripple for years, shaping the company into one of the most significant players in the global cryptocurrency space. Under his leadership, Ripple has focused on transforming cross-border payments by making them faster, cheaper, and more efficient with the use of XRP. Garlinghouse has always been vocal about his vision for XRP and Ripple's role in the broader financial ecosystem. Garlinghouse isn't just any CEO, he has a deep understanding of both the crypto market and traditional financial systems. He's been involved in the tech and financial sectors for over 2 decades and has seen how digital assets could play a major role in the future of money. Ripple, under his guidance, has secured partnerships with major financial institutions worldwide, positioning XRP as a bridge currency in global payments. His leadership and expertise in the space make his statements noteworthy, and when he predicts that XRP could reach $100, it carries a level of credibility that many in the crypto world take seriously. But it's not just his position as CEO that makes his prediction interesting, it's also his track record. While predictions about cryptocurrency prices are notoriously difficult to get right, Garlinghouse has made accurate calls in the past regarding the potential for blockchain technology and XRP's role in the market. For instance, he has always argued that cryptocurrencies like XRP should not be classified as securities, and has publicly stated that Ripple is prepared for whatever regulatory challenges come its way. His ability to anticipate challenges and opportunities in the space gives weight to his bold prediction, but it also raises the question: what factors would need to align for XRP to actually reach $100? Before diving into whether $100 is a feasible target for XRP, let's first examine why Garlinghouse might be so optimistic about the future of XRP. There are several key factors that could potentially drive the price of XRP to new heights, and Garlinghouse's confidence might stem from these very elements. Let's break down the major factors that could influence XRP's price in the next few years. Brad Garlinghouse's prediction about XRP reaching $100 likely stems from several key factors that could drive the price of XRP higher in the future. One of the most significant factors influencing the potential rise in XRP's price is the growing regulatory clarity surrounding the cryptocurrency space. For years, XRP has been caught in a legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), which has added a layer of uncertainty to its value. However, if the ongoing case is resolved in Ripple's favor, it could send a strong signal to investors that Ripple and XRP have cleared one of the biggest hurdles in the US market. This legal victory could open the door for XRP to be widely adopted and traded across different platforms without the looming threat of regulatory restrictions. A favorable resolution with the SEC would likely give Ripple a much-needed boost, as it would remove the cloud of regulatory uncertainty and make it easier for institutions to use XRP in their financial systems. The adoption of XRP as a bridge currency for cross-border payments has already been one of Ripple's key selling points. If Ripple can expand its partnerships and get more financial institutions on board, it could greatly increase the demand for XRP, which in turn could drive its price up. The more businesses and financial institutions use XRP for remittances and international transactions, the more valuable it could become. Another crucial factor in XRP's potential to reach $100 is the overall growth of the cryptocurrency market. While XRP has historically been overshadowed by Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of market cap and attention, it has remained a strong contender in the market, especially within the remittance and cross-border payment sectors. If the broader cryptocurrency market continues to gain traction with more institutional investments, favorable regulations and mainstream adoption, XRP could benefit from this overall growth. As more people and companies begin to understand the utility of XRP, it could lead to increased demand for the token, driving up its price. The continued growth and adoption of blockchain technology, particularly in the financial sector, is another critical factor that could push XRP closer to the $100 mark. Ripple's use of blockchain for faster and cheaper cross-border payments already sets it apart from traditional financial systems. As blockchain technology becomes more integrated into global finance, the role of XRP could become more central in facilitating cross-border transactions. Ripple has been working hard to position XRP as the leading solution for global payments, and if that vision comes to fruition, the price of XRP could skyrocket. Additionally, competition from other cryptocurrencies and digital assets could also play a role in driving XRP's price. While XRP has focused primarily on cross-border payments, other blockchain projects are working to offer similar solutions. Ripple's ability to stay ahead of its competitors and continue to deliver on its promises will be crucial for its long-term success. If XRP maintains its position as the top choice for cross-border transactions, it could see a significant increase in demand, which could push the price upward. Despite all of these factors, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. A lot of external factors,